Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe, be a part of the family. So let's go ahead and dive right into it, guys. Share with you guys the stocks I'll be looking at tomorrow, what has great potential, and also some, a few rules and things that you need to keep in your mind every new start of the week to not blow your account. The name of the game is staying in the game. So let's get into it. For starters, if we look here, we see stock futures rise as US EU trade deal kicks off, a hectic week for the markets. So it's still a lot of uncertainty looming around the market, but overall the market has been showing strong signs of a continuation. I know without a doubt, being involved in the market, a pullback is going to happen. It's going to be nasty. Once SPY pull back, once Bitcoin pull back for real, these things pull back, man, I'm talking Bitcoin gonna drop 10 bands in a day probably. SPY gonna drop, shit, that mother gonna drop about 15 in a day. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot for SPY. Definitely 10. We don't know when. It could shoot up and go even higher from here. But I'm just saying, don't once it just because you in the a continuous state, I don't think it's forever be that way. It's gonna pull back. But going into tomorrow, the top of my list will be super microcomputer. If you've been following, I called this out at around $50. When it broke 51, 52, $51, I said this could go straight to 60. Of course, that didn't happen within 1 day or within 2 days or within 3 days. They want to play games. Whenever I see these things from a mile away, they want to bush around. You get what I'm saying? The thing is, they like to be sneaky. Because I would have had this now and been up Monday from overnight. You feel me? But they snuck it. They snuck this one in. Because I've been watching it the whole time. Been making money. Has it been playing games? But I've been waiting for it to break. Retest 54. But you see, they do that overnight when you can't get in it. You see how slick they is, right? What I want to see happen from here is I don't want it to go up to 60 from here. Because that's my target. $60. Once it reaches 60 though, I do believe it can go higher. Because they're gonna be thinking they missing something. FOMO gonna kick in. If it break through the 60 wall. What I want to see it do, for it to be a solid A plus setup, I want to see it dip. I want to see it go down and test 54 as a sign of support. Previously, it had a rough time getting through 54. I want to see you hold up come Monday at 54 as support. And if it break 54, you know what I'm saying, I give it room to 53 because it's just trying to scare people out, and they the market makers. These people know what events investors and traders are looking for, so they'll drop it below that just to mess up your psychology. So 53, 54, I want to see it come down in that area. Then I want to buy calls and ride it back up towards 56, 57. If it break through it and I can sell into strength going towards 60, that'd be good as well. I really just going to take what the market gives me. I'm not really focused on my target being reached. I'm going to get in for a good price, and I'm going to have my risk management in place to where I know exactly what I'm going to get out if it goes wrong. So if I got in at 53, 54, if it broke below 52, I would exit for a small loss. If it holds up, I'm good. Next, I'll be watching SPY. It's at 639, continuously making new highs. Obviously, if the market's up, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, you gotta go. The trend is your friend. The trend right now with the SPY is to the upside. Until that's broken, that's what you want to be looking forward to. Hims, I got in on a dip. I literally was watching Hims on Friday as it was just going crazy. Right before, like seconds before I was gonna get in it, that thing dropped like all the way down. It dropped like instantly. I'm like, what is this, a glitch? But I'm glad it dropped though, because I got in it. I got in it for calls and wrote it right back up, man. Wrote it right back up. That's real manipulation in the market that you have to be prepared for, watch for. That's why I can't stress enough aim small, miss small. Because if you aim small, miss small, and unexpected things like that happen, you're not going to be so overly panicking that, you know what I'm saying, that you make crazy decisions. Next, I'll be watching Tesla as well. Tesla like in the mid-range spot. It's in a very mid-tight spot. So, it'll be good to watch because it can just go crazy at any moment or drop. But it's like in the mid-range. Like if it was at 300s, it'd be a good buy for calls going up. And if it was at 330, 340, it'd be good for puts. But it's in the middle. So I'm not really going to be focused on that unless it just do something crazy. Webull, got to keep your eye on Webull. This has been very choppy, up and down, 16 to 18, back to 16. So I'm going to be watching this as well. This got upside potential for calls. This could break out and go crazy. Next is Coinbase. Definitely got Coinbase on my radar. You know, I told you guys a minute ago. I've been telling you about Coinbase. I called it one time. It was at like 350. I said Coinbase going to 400. And the next day that bit went to 399. I was like, what? Then went from 399, 400 to 450. And like I told you guys, Bitcoin keep doing this doing towards the end of the year, going to next year, this will be at like $700 if this cycle continue to go in the direction that it's going. Bitcoin at 119,000. I love to keep eyes on Bitcoin, my crypto. I'm investing in this. You should be investing in this as well. These is long-term holds for me. Whenever Bitcoin, the overall crypto market dips, I just add to my positions long-term. Looking to hold this 10 plus years. I'm well off into my 30s. And then I'm going to cash out over 50% of my position and, let the rest ride. So Bitcoin, we want to see it break above 120,000. If Bitcoin can run back towards 120 or break 120 tonight or going to tomorrow, you definitely want to be looking at Coinbase. Coinbase will go crazy, but this needs to break 120,000. Last but not least, TSLA brands. TSLA reporting earnings Monday after the close, so you definitely want to keep a close eye on this. We seen why I had called it out on the other week, and people made money off of it. Also, Beyond Meat, you want to keep a close eye on these. These things has crazy upside potential and not much downside potential because they're already being hit hard. So keep an eye on this. I'm gonna be keeping a close eye on this. Earnings Monday after close. Marijuana sector, a lot of legalization is going on in a lot of different states. So watch this. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B. Hit that subscribe button. Love y'all and God bless you. We gone.